Tired of project management feeling like a never-ending jumble? Let's transform that chaos into calm using ClickUp, your all-known project management powerhouse. A solemn welcome and namaste dosto. Welcome to this easy Urdu Hindi tutorial. First, let's build our foundation with spaces. Think of these as broad categories for different departments or large projects to create a new space. Click the plus icon next to spaces in the left sidebar. Give it a relevant name like marketing campaigns and choose a color and icon. Within each space, you'll find lists. Lists help organize tasks around specific goals or phases of the project. Click on a space, and then click the plus icon to create a new list. Like social media planning, you can select a template from the menu or start from scratch. Now, let's add tasks. In your list, click New Task. Enter a descriptive task name like Design Instagram Post. Here, you can assign team members, set due dates, prioritize tasks, and add descriptions. ClickUp offers a wealth of customization options. ClickUp offers various views to visualize your project's progress. Try the board view, where tasks are arranged in columns representing different stages like to do, in progress, and completed. Simply drag and drop tasks to update their status. For time-sensitive tasks, the calendar view is your best friend. It displays your tasks on a calendar, helping you stay on top of deadlines and manage your time effectively. To schedule a task, simply drag it to the desired date. ClickUp makes team collaboration a breeze. Use the commenting feature to discuss tasks directly with team members. Tag them using the @ symbol to notify them instantly. Share documents, files, and ideas within each task. Track your project's progress with ClickUp's built-in reporting tools. Monitor burndown charts, track time spent on tasks, and identify potential bottlenecks. This data-driven approach allows you to make informed decisions and optimize your workflow. So there you have it. A quick start to using ClickUp for effective project management. Experiment with its features, tailor it to your needs, and watch your productivity soar. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Khuda Hafiz and Alvida.